So it all starts off with having good control of your data, because if you don't have structured data in the beginning, it doesn't matter how fancy AI capabilities you have on top of it, you need to have a good foundation. So at Rillion, we have invested heavily in a good structured data platform. And it all began a couple of years back when we launched our much appreciated analytics platform, and platform that we launched towards our customers so that they are able to drive insights on their data and can benchmark themselves and get a deeper understanding on how they are efficient in their AP automation today. On top of that, we have various machine learning models. So models that is trained on your specific data, that uses your historic invoices and looks at how they have been coded and the workflow that has been used. And when a new invoice comes in, it tries to predict and give you a more automated flow where you have it from the beginning in the place already. And what we're adding now on top of that is various generative AI capabilities in the product. So these are the kind of AI functions that has become well known as the large language models that is trained on vast amount of data, and we can use them to create new ways of creating value to our customers in the product. What we're now launching is new capabilities that is built on generative AI. So generative AI is built on large language models, which are machine learning models that is built on vast amount of data. And that provides us with the possibility to drive completely new capabilities in our product. For instance, the new AI assistant that we are launching that will give you complete new ways of interacting with your AP data. Compliance, security, and control is fundamental to have in place to be able to deliver a good AP automation solution. This is something that we at Rillion has been working with since the day we were founded, and we know how important it is that our customers can fully rely that we provide them with a solution that lives up to their expectations in this regard. AI solutions is not an exception in this way. We need to make sure that we have good control of the data that the AI solutions is getting access to, and we need to have guardrails in place to make sure that it is actually working on the things that it should be working on in a good structured way. For everything we do when we develop a product here at Rillion, we try to start off with our customers and our users' needs. We need to understand what are the pain points they face in their daily work, to be able to assess how we can develop a product that solves their needs in the best possible way. In its fundamental, our product development process is hypothesis driven. So we form an idea on how we can solve the pain points our customers have. Then we try to assess whether our assumptions were correct or not. We do that through prototypes, through customer interviews, to running pilot solutions, any way we can to get something into the hands of our customers as early as possible so that we can make sure that the feedback that drives enables us to create the best possible product for our customers. AI solutions is not an exception here. We do it exactly the same process here. So for our upcoming launch of the AI assistant, we have had multiple pilot customers that has gotten access to this way earlier than anyone else. They have provided us with feedback, both in terms of when we have interviewed them, but also based on their data, where we can drive insights from the questions that has been asked and the answers that has been given to make sure that we continuously evolve the product to an even better position. With machine learning models, you also have an extra step on top of this, because the models in themselves also train to become a little bit better with each and every interaction they have with the user. And in the end, what we want to make sure that is that each and every component and feature in our product becomes a little bit better each and every day. AP automation is a perfect example of where AI solution can drive real value. You have vast amounts of data. You have a repetitive process with endless amount of invoices coming in each and every month. At Rillion, we have been working for more than 25 years in trying to automate this in the best possible way, and we know what good looks like. With good integrations, clear and structured data, and a development process that always starts from the user needs. Rillion AI gives AP managers superpowers, and it will take your automation to a whole new level.